Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the caller name announcer on the Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. So simply open the phone app on your device, and then tap on the three dots at the top right corner, and then from the menu that appears, simply select Settings. And then all you have to do is simply scroll down and find the caller ID announcer. Here it is, tap on it. And then you should see this option, Announce Caller ID. Select it. And then to enable it, you can either choose only while using a headset. So let's say if you're using some headsets, you can enable that. Or if you want to enable it always, you can simply tap on Always. So let me just select Always. And then once you receive an incoming call, there you go. You can now receive that. You can hear that call announced on your Redmi Note 14. So that's basically it on how to enable this feature on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.